2022, your Miss Lux White of General Trias Cavite. And I do believe that beauty is not flawless, but it is seen through our flaws. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Ariana Zubel Denyola Beron, 19, your Miss Lux White from San Pedro City, province of Laguna. And I believe, if you fall 7 times, make sure to stand up 8 times. But this time, with poise, sabay iwan ng smile.
Good afternoon. Hannah Althea Abian, 18, Miss Lux White of Hingog City, province of Misamis Oriental. And I believe that old ways won't open new doors. Thank you.
Hello mga kapuso! Ako po si Ipon. Minabati ko unang-una dyan mga kaipo natin, mga kaskwami ko dyan. Nagustuhan nyo ba ang video na to? Marami pa kaming inanda para sa inyo. Mag-subscribe lang sa Wowin YouTube channel. Tsaka, don't forget to hit the, the bell button para lagi kang updated. Yun lang!